How you going, Cairns crew? Percy here from Pro-Lift Training FNQ. Got a short video on how to do a pre-start on a wheeled front end loader. First things first, just those hazards in our work area. Got some trees, got some sun, not a lot of wind around, people, vehicles and ground conditions. So we've got a traffic management plan over here, people stay over there. We've got no other vehicles moving around today, and just keep our eyes on the path. Righto. Pre-start logbook, let's go there first. Make sure this is the right logbook for the machine. Serial number 602602. Has it had a pre-start done today? No. When was the last pre-start? Yesterday. And any safety issues, defects or maintenance? Recently had a service. Front right hand tyre has been pumped up. And that's about it for now. When we're finished testing our machine, we'll come back and we'll complete that logbook. Righto, back left hand corner. So under here is our isolator. So it's activated. I'll hop up in the cab, try and start the machine, make sure it's isolated. 3 points of contact when we're accessing our machine. Key in the ignition and it's dead. Three points of contact as we come back down, and we'll head back over to those batteries. Battery connection, corrosion, security. Are there any indicators indicating that our battery needs maintenance or to be replaced? No. All looking good down there. Pop up our bonnet. From here, we've got our exhaust, air filter if we need to clean that one out. We've got fuel lines, no leaks. We've got oil filters, belts, fans, alternator, engine mounts, all looking okay. Radiator. Got plenty of water in there. Exhaust is okay. No leaks. Hose is in good condition. Lights, camera, action, windscreen, glass, mirrors, access, tyres, splits, cracks, chunks, UV damage, uneven wear, correct pressure. Wheel nuts are nice and tight. No leaks in the drive. As you come around, having a look for any oil leaks or defects, none on the ground. Access steps are okay. And controls are in good condition. Fuel caps on. We got our articulation point down here. Steering cylinders, drive lines, uni joints, pins and retainers for our cylinders, backstops for our steering. And no leaks on our hydraulics. Our data plates here. It's a 2022 model, weighs about 8 tonne. Got a serial number there. Mudguard, lights, horn, pins and retainers for our boom and our cylinders. No leaks on our cylinders. Same deal with our tyres. Pressure, splits, cracks, chunks, UV damage, uneven wear. Wheel nuts are in good condition. Drive's not leaking. Checking out our wishbone here, tilt cylinder, pins, retainers, leaks. Check our linkage out. Hydraulic hoses, backstops for our tilt, pins and retainers for our bucket. Rightio, down to our bucket. Check our wear blades out. Bolts are in good condition, blades in good condition. Not too much caught up in our machine, in our bucket. No damage, no defects. Rightio. Coming down that right hand side, similar sorts of inspections. Got our pins and retainers, we've got some grease nipples. We've got our connections, our linkage, wishbone, tilt cylinder, lift cylinder, pins and retainers. No damage to our hydraulics, no leaks, lights, and our front axles down there. We've got our lights up top, mirrors, cab, glass, front right wheel, splits, cracks, chunks, UV damage, uneven wear, pressure. Wheel nuts are in good condition, no rim damage, final drives aren't leaking. Mudguard secure. Same deal on our right hand side with our articulation point. We've got our backstops, steering cylinders, pins and retainers, drive lines, uni joints, hydraulic hoses, damage, any loose hoses and leaks. Hydraulic oil cap is on, sight glass is reading the correct level, full. Access is okay. We've got a washer and aircon up in here for our cabin. No oil on the ground. Last wheel, splits, cracks, chunks, UV damage, uneven wear, correct pressure. Wheel nuts are in tight. Drive line's not leaking. And we're underneath our bonnet. Exhaust, fan, blades, fuel lines. And 3 points of contact. Engine oil. Check that level. Beautiful. No leaks. Storage compartment. Couple of slings in there in case we get stuck. Counterweight is in good condition. Tail lights. Tow hitch point. Safety decals. No oil on the ground. Back around to where we started. I'll turn that isolator off. So we got power. And we'll hop up in the machine. We'll do some testing. When we hop up, 3 points of contact. Bum in the seat. Check that seatbelt out. Get comfy with that seat. Neutral. Park brakes on. Aircon, fan, beautiful. Rightio. We'll just raise our bucket. We'll go all the way up. Yeah, we'll crowd it forward. Crowd it back. And lower our bucket. As we're driving around, we'll tilt that bucket back a bit. Rightio. Park brakes off. And drive forwards. Check that steering out. Steering's okay. Checking those shoulders out as we reverse. Rightio, neutral. When you park up, make sure your blade's on the ground. Neutral, park brake, and switch your engine off. Rightio, now we've done our testing, we can fill out that pre-start logbook. When you hop down, 3 points of contact, facing the machine. If you're finished with your machine, make sure you go for a full walk around, looking for damage, defects and leaks, and then you can hand the keys over. See you later.